A DBA, or doing business as, is essentially a nickname for your company. In New Jersey, a DBA is also called a trade name or an alternate name. DBAs are a great way to rebrand your company name, to add new brands to your company, or to change your company name completely. For sole proprietors and partnerships, DBAs offer the ability to operate under a name that isn't the business owner's surname. For more information on the specifics of what a DBA is and how it can be used, check out our other video, linked below. In this video, we will go over the steps you need to take in order to form a DBA in New Jersey. There are two ways to form a DBA. You can do it yourself, or you can hire a service to do it for you. Let's take a look at both options and help you decide how to go about forming your own DBA. 1. Do it yourself. If you want to save money, you can form a DBA on your own. Let's take a look at the steps to forming a DBA in New Jersey on your own. 1. Complete name searches. When determining what you want your DBA name to be, you'll want to make sure you follow New Jersey naming requirements. For more details, check out our video, How to Name Your Business in New Jersey, or our naming guides linked below. Next, you'll want to make sure the name is available in New Jersey. The first and most important search is with the New Jersey Department of Treasury. If the name is not available, you'll have to adjust your name or use a different one. We provide instructions to search your business name in New Jersey on howtostartanllc.com, linked below. Searching is free. To learn more, visit New Jersey naming guides linked in the description below. After confirming your name is available in New Jersey, we recommend doing a domain search to see if your name is available as a URL. Even if you don't plan on making a website today, we recommend buying your domain in order to prevent others from acquiring it. 2. Register your DBA. After you've chosen an available name, you'll want to register your DBA. Sole proprietors and partnerships file for a trade name with the county where they do business. You'll need to check with your local county office for specific details about how to register. For state filings, you can register online at New Jersey's Business Charter Amendment Service website, or you can complete the registration of alternate name form and submit it by mail or in person. The application will ask for your new DBA name and information about your business, such as a business ID number, the date of incorporation, the type of activity conducted under the alternate name, and any previous use of the alternate name. And with that, you'll have a DBA in New Jersey. Keep in mind that New Jersey DBAs registered with the state need to be renewed every 5 years. You can either renew online or by mail. Option 2. The second way to form a DBA is to hire a professional service to create your DBA for you. Hiring a professional service to file your forms and do name searches will cost you an additional $50 to $150. However, there are several benefits to working with a pro. A hired professional files your DBA for you, keeps you up to date with renewals, and assists with publications. DBAs, or doing business as, are also known as trade names, assumed names, or fictitious names of a business. Informal business structures like sole proprietorships and partnerships can use DBAs as their business name instead of their surnames. Formal business structures like LLCs and corporations can use DBAs as a means to rebrand their name, add new brands, or change the name they are using as their business name. DBAs are not a business structure and are not separate legal entities. They also do not provide asset protection or liability protection to informal business structures. For state-specific guides on how to form a DBA, check out the pages linked below, and for a more detailed guide, visit startupsavant.com. Give the video a like if you found it useful, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And if you have questions or encounter any roadblocks, leave a comment below. Good luck in starting your small business.